All right. Good morning, everyone. Let's go and start with the bell work, everybody. So on the bell work, I just want to ask you guys, what's the translation means? Go to Google Classroom. Google Classroom. And answer there. So we already learned about this translation yesterday. You can have your notebooks next to you, so that way it helps you really well. So the bell work is what's a translation means. Okay, go ahead and then do it on your notebook, Google Chromebook. Sorry, whatever I'm talking. So go to Google Classroom and answer that question quickly, and then we're going to continue to learn right away. See. Okay, so the question is, what's a translation means? Okay, if you want some little bit hint, you can see this. We talked about this air hockey yesterday, so you know it. Go to Google Classroom, fourth hour, classwork. See the Thursday. Let me pull it up. Thursday, bell work. You see it. Please get it done. You have 3 minutes to complete the bell work. Let me put a timer. 3 minutes timer.
Okay, your timer is set for 3 minutes.
All right, I'll repeat it. The bell work is, what is the translation means? If you go to Google Classroom, you will see a bell work question there. Just answer there, and then we're going to just look at the answers. If you need some help, you're always happy to look into your notebook. So that way you're kind of like reviewing it at the same time, and also you learn whatever we did yesterday or in the last class. Or you can look at this picture right here. It's a good example for what the translation means, what's same, what's different, so you can just answer them. So you can get a participation grades. Uh, 1 minute, 30 seconds. That's nice. I already have 5 people turn it in. That's good. Keep going faster. Just type it in there. You guys already know it, what it is. That's good. Also, you can add what's the same and what's different. That's good. Okay, let's see. I see some problem up here. So, Dayara, if you can't see you do one thing, just log out and then try log back in again. Leave the class and then come back again. That might fix it. All right, 10 seconds more. Please go and type it your answers at this time. Still, you can't see. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop sharing and then I'll try to share one more time. So hopefully that will fix the problem. I want to stop share. Then I'll try to share one more time. Okay. So tell me, Diara, can you see it this time? Yes. Okay, that's good. I'm glad it's a problem got fixed. Excellent. Good job, guys. So since it is the internet, sometimes it might have a little glitch in there, but overall, if you have a problem, just like Diara did it, put them in the chat box. Hopefully, we can figure out the right away. I don't want you to miss the whole class and just because of this one simple reason. All right. Anyway, let's go ahead and start it. And I want to see, go back in here and what answers you guys have put it out there. Let's see. I have 10 people turn it in. That's good. But I need more people to turn it in, please, because it's a part of your grade. It's a participation grade. I mean, it's easy, simple. You don't want to miss those points up here. Okay. Now let's look into it. A translation is a function that moves an object in a certain distance. Nice, good definition, Victor. Thank you. Translation means move something from one place to other place. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Translation is slide. That is true. Translation describes that moves from certain distance. That's right. Or slide or move. Very good. Then I see someone also typed this, and translation means slide or move, and shape, size, angle, or sides or area is not going to change. Good job, guys. It doesn't change anything there. Okay. Good job. I will really like that. Translation is something moving or it goes to slide to side. Excellent. Good work. So simple answers. I mean, you know you can be part of it. I don't want you to take the points off since you're not able to just not writing your Bauer questions. Come on. Please go ahead and type it. Don't think about that. Just get it done. And as soon as you are getting in the classroom, right away, get onto the bell work and done. Okay, good work. I really appreciate it. You guys are putting those efforts out there and then completing the bell work, and it helps you to remember and then recollect and apply your knowledge to the next classes. Okay, awesome. So let's move on to this section. Now, if you look at it, translation, yesterday we looked at it, it's just moving from one place to the other place. And we also learned the definition out of it. And also we draw some pictures on and we talk about it, what's same, what's different. The next one here is today, it's called reflection. Reflection. What's a reflection? Okay, go ahead and then type it on the chat box. What do you think is a reflection means? Okay, reflection. Where do you see the reflections? Okay, you can use a chat box and type it up here, answers, whatever you guys think. Please try to be on time to the classroom. Please try to be on time to the classroom. It's really important. If you miss the introduction of the class, and mostly you're gonna miss a lot of content up here. Okay, so you guys have a little bit idea what the reflection means. I'm gonna go over this. Pay close attention. So I don't want you to write anything, just look at the screen, okay? So look at the screen. That's all I want you to do, okay? Don't write anything. Pencils down, eyes on the screen. See? All right, let's look into this. Reflection means it's like a flip. Like, for example, in the morning when you wash your face and you see a reflection in the mirror. Same thing when you go for fishing and you see a reflection of yourself in the water. So it's the same exact figure, it flips over. That is called reflection. Does that make sense? Show me thumbs up. I want you to guys again. It's one of our norms. Put your faces up. I mean, like videos up and mute yourself. But I want you to see your faces. That way, it feels me like I'm teaching a classroom. It doesn't want to feel like I'm teaching. I'm talking to a machine. Okay. So please put your videos up. Okay. Thank you. Yep, I can see that. So reflection means it's just a flip, and you can see the same picture, but it flips over. Okay, don't write anything, just want you to listen, so that way it makes more sense to you. Now, eyes on the screen, everybody. I'm going to show you some examples. Sure, yes, go ahead. Now, I want you to guys look at the screen, don't write anything. I want you to guys listen carefully. When you listening carefully, it makes more sense to you. It sticks into your brain more. Alrighty, eyes on the screen. I want you to look at this one. You see right here, there is a big mountain up there. There is a lake. You can see the reflection. See, I'm using the vocabulary reflection. On your end, I want you to guys, everybody, say reflection. On your end, on count. 3, 2, 1. Reflection. So reflection is nothing but it's a flip. If I look at this flip of this mountain, you can see it's it's not mountain is looking like just like a mountain, but it's like a flip. You see that flip? That's called reflection. In the second picture, you can see there is a little shape, and then you can see the distance from the line of reflection. The line of reflection means where it is flipping over. Yes, it is just a flip. But again, where it is flipping over, that is really important. Okay. Now, I want you to guys write it down, this highlighted portion. Every point is the same distance from the central line. The central line is also called line of reflection. Okay. Write it down, the highlighted part only. You don't need to write everything that I showed to you, because I want to explain it to you guys, making more sense out of this. That way, then you don't forget, and then you can apply your knowledge. Okay. Every point is the same distance from the central line. So that is really important when you look for the reflections. Okay, good. If you're done with it, please on the chat box, put it done or thumbs up or show me thumbs up. Okay. All right. That's good. Now, okay, I said somebody hold up. Okay, I'm going to give you guys 30 more seconds. All you have to write it, the highlighted part, which is this. Every point is same distance from the central line. That's all you need to write. Again, I'll repeat. Yesterday we learned the translation, because the vocabulary is important, guys. They're not going to say the picture is moving. They're not going to say the picture is flip. They're going to use the vocabulary of reflection. And whenever it says reflection, you should know that it is a flip. You have to know that. Okay, awesome. Now, eyes on the screen. You don't need to write anything else. I want you to look at this. The reflection has the same size of the original image, just like a translation. When it slides, we have the same size of the picture or the object, whatever it is. Just like, let's say, think about it. You have a photo frame in your room, and you want to move it from one place to the other place. That is called translation. But if you don't want to show your picture, you're flipping over, then it is reflection. Okay? And look at this one quickly. So the reflection could be done vertically or horizontally. Vertical means y-axis. Horizontal means x-axis. Okay? Carefully, because we did this one at the beginning of the classes also. And I want you to guys look at more examples. Don't write anything. If you look at it, this line, mirror line, we call as axis of symmetry. Okay? Okay, you just need to look at it so it makes sense to you. So you don't need to worry about that much. So reflection is a flip over, basically over the line. Okay? Deflection is a flip over the line. That's what it is. So you guys already understand that. So reflection is a flip over the line. Now, at this point, eyes on the screen, eyes on the screen. Okay, I want you to look at this shape. What shape is this one? Use the chat box and type it. What shape is called? What do you call? Is it quadrilateral, or what do you think is a triangle? What do you guys think? It's a polygon. I like that. I like the vocabulary you guys are using it. Very good. It's a polygon. That's true. And it has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So it's called pentagon also. Okay. But anyway, I want you to look at it. Don't write anything. No, polygon is correct too. Camila, it is also polygon. Polygon is correct. Okay. Good work. And it's, if you specifically, you can say it's a pentagon. But anyway, I want you to guys look carefully. I want you to guys use your chat box. Tell me, is it a reflection over x-axis or y-axis? What do you guys think? Put them in the chat box. That's right. It's coming up. Very good. I want you to guys, all of you guys, be part of it. I don't want to just only two people typing up there. Everybody have access to type. So no excuse on this one. Thank you. Good work. I see that. Y-axis. That's right. It's a flip over here. It's y-axis. Good job. I want to change it right now. I want to see. Let's see. I'm going to change this one too. Now you guys tell me. Is it a reflection over which axes? Very good. It's x-axis. Very nice. Very good. Very good. I like that. So I'm going to put it one more time. What's a reflection over? Y-axis. Very good. Very good. I can see that everybody's participating. And then now tell me, what's a reflection over? X-axis. Very good. And not only this, it can get complicated as it goes on. Sometimes you may see a diagonal reflections too. So see, that's a diagonal reflection. Or you can say it's like reflection over the center of, okay? So that's a diagonal reflection. But you need to, mainly you need to know horizontal and vertical, which is x-axis and y-axis. Okay? That's good. I hope you guys understand about the reflections. And I want you to guys look at this one right now. How do I do, when a triangle is given to you, how do I reflect it? Step one, what you need to do, first look at this triangle, draw the line to the either y-axis or x-axis, whatever the line you're reflecting. Let's say here is the five units, and then I'll use the 5 units this side. And here is 1 unit, I'll use it 1 unit this side. Here is 6 units, I'll use it 6 units from the line. And then I'll join all these points. I will get the reflection picture on the third. Connect all of the new dots, and then you can get the new reflection. Okay, is that clear? Good. So I am going to show you one more. I want to show you. Hope you guys understand what a reflection means. So that's what important to us. Let's see if I can reflect it. It doesn't reflect anything to me. That's okay. I'll go back here. Now, I want you to guys, since you understand what the reflection means, go ahead and then complete this picture. Go ahead and reflect this one and complete the missing parts. And this is called line of reflection. I'll give you a minute on your notebooks. Please get it done. Okay. That's line of reflection. I'm guessing if you guys already completed that one. Now on the notebooks itself, next, write it down this one. It's really important whenever I put a little cloud, I want you guys to put that cloud in your notebooks also. That way, when you're looking at your notes, oh yeah, it is really important. Let me read it one more time. It helps you to make sure you understand more time. So put a little cloud and write it down. The movement that flips is called, the flip is called deflection. It's basically a flip is called a reflection. That's good. Now, next question I'm going to ask you guys, if you have a deflection is taking place, what is same and what's different? I want you guys to use this chat box right here. Go ahead and type it. What is same? What's different? Give a minute to think. Very good, Camilla. Thank you for typing up there already. Let's keep going. Type it up on the chat box. What is same? What's different? Okay, keep going, guys. Everybody should be participating because now I'm going to call randomly. Okay, thank you, Ricardo. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, yeah, I should give you some time to copy that too. Yes. All right, take us some time. I'm going to give you guys a minute or two to make sure you have everything written, and then you can type it up there. Thank you for letting me know. Let me get you guys a 2 minutes timer. 2 minutes timer.
Your timer is set for 2 minutes.
Okay. You have 1 more minute. Please get it done. Hmm. All right, if you're done with it, please go ahead and then type it, what is same or what's different on the chat box. Good job. I see some of you guys already typed in. Very good. Awesome. Let's go. Let's move on. Okay. Now I see that one. Everything stays same, but the shape just flipped around. Very good. Very good. That is true. They're same. I see that. It's a habit reflection. Beautiful. I like the vocabulary that you're putting out there. It's just reflected. That's right. And I can see like everything is same. So what is important thing is its shape is same, size is same, all the angles are same, area is same, everything is same. Its only thing is this, it just moved from one place to the other place. That's it. Okay, that's good. Very good. I bet you guys understand reflection really well. Now, what I want you to move on to the next is, I just want to talk about a few things up here. On your Google Classroom, a part of the work, I have put it some family letters. I want you to guys look at those. Those are in both English and Spanish. So let me see, I'm going to pull the work up here so you can see it quickly. And let me see, back here quickly, let's see. So this is the family letter that I put them in your assignments, and one in Spanish and one in English, both languages. So you don't have an excuse to, I don't understand. Please read them, and you can give it to your parents, or you can ask them to read them, or you can just, at least you can read them and then understand what's happening. So for example, here it gives you all the definitions for you one more time. We learn about the slide, which is translate, and we learn about the what is flip reflection. We learn about that, and we're going to learn about the other ones tomorrow or the next class. And there is a small project here. Okay, so there's a small project here. You can just do it on the paper, or you can do it up here. It doesn't matter, however you want to. Okay, and once you guys get the workbooks, then it will be much easier because everything is printed out for you guys. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's one thing. Next thing is I'm gonna give you guys now independent work time, and that way you guys can ask me some questions. I know I see on the chat box some questions out there. I'm gonna answer them, and the rest of you guys take some independent time to work on your assignments and jump into the Google Classroom and get it done. But on this topic, if you guys have a question, please ask me right now. You can unmute and then talk, or if not, please jump into independent practice, and I'm going to answer these questions right now. Okay, give me 1 second. Oh, on top of that, I just want to tell you one more thing, guys, just so you guys are here. When you guys go to the 1 minute. So when you guys go to the classwork, I did put some video of the class, like yesterday, whatever the classwork is done, it's converted into a video, and then we'll put them up as a notes. What I want you to guys do is watch that video. If you can put some comments, so that way, what do you understand in that? So that way, it's kind of like a review for you guys. And at the end of the day, I'm going to put it for this video, today's lesson. So that way, it's kind of like keep you as a review going up there too. Please watch that video one more time. So that way, even if you're attending the classroom, watch it one more time. So it helps you to review the content. Okay, awesome. Very good, guys. Let me see. I'll stop sharing. Then I can answer your questions very quickly. Let's see.